I just need a break from even thinking about it. Even thinking about what style is next, or is my moisture lasting? Is it? I just need a break from that. Hey Jewels, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Clear Curls. I am Crystal. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome to my little corner of the internet where we are Crystal and the Jewels. Now, if you'd like to also be a jewel, all you have to do is one little thing, and that's click subscribe. Down below, it's right there, the red button. And if you'd like to be reminded of any time that I post a video, then all you have to do is click that notification bell. Today, I know I'm looking like Cleo from Set It Off a little bit, but I am getting ready to do a protective style. I need some time off from my hair and something quick and easy. I was gonna do knotless box braids, but I don't know, I've been having a little problem with my hand and my shoulder. And being that I am a long-term braid stylist, I've been braiding 25 years. Yeah, so most of my life I have been a braider. But age, you know, experience already starting to catch up with me. So I decided I still wanted some long butt length hair, but I would do something that was a little more simpler. So I am going to do some 6 feed-in braids. And the way I like to do is go ahead and part my parts out. So you can see I've already parted out for all 6 braids. And I have my hair laid out here. So I have my 36-inch, what is it called? Let's see. Oh, 36-inch Easy Braid Professional. It's the Innocence brand, I think is what it's called. But it's the pre-stretched hair that is one of my favorites to work with, and especially because it comes in 36 inches. So I'm gonna be using that, my edge control, and I'm gonna also kind of use my comb, kind of making sure that when I put the edge control on, I can kind of smooth it in with the comb. And I'm gonna get started. I probably won't do a lot of talking on this just because, I don't know, I'm just trying to get through it, but I may add some voiceover on it. So hope you enjoy the video. I'll braid the rest of that down later. I just want to get the base of my braids done. I lost my touch a little bit. It's been a while since I really braided, but I just want some long braids. I really wanted those box braids with my hand. I know it wouldn't have handled it I can imagine it's not too pretty at the back. My hair is so thick and I'm not taking the time to like smooth and make sure everything is blending. That's not really my concern. I really just need a style where I don't have to do it maybe a week and a half to 2 weeks. I just need a break from even thinking about it. Even thinking about what style is next, or is my moisture lasting? Is it? I just need a break from that. So I'm gonna finish these next 3 off camera. I'll be back to show you how I dip the ends and to apply some mousse on it to help me cut down on frizz coming anytime soon. So